So today I'm going to be bringing you this green smoky eye for my rainbow series. If you haven't seen the other videos in this series, I have a playlist. I'll put it in the IO up here somewhere. I think that's it. So let's just get started. Okay, so I did this eye off camera, and I did my face and my eyebrows and everything. So I'm going to show you it on this side. I'm going to start off with, I primed my eyes and concealed them with the e.l.f. Camo concealer. Now I'm going to start off with my Morphe JH40 brush, just a small brush, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to use the dark green right here and just go right into that color, and I will blend it out later, but I'm just going to press that on my lid, and then I'm going to use my Morphe JH32 brush, and I'm going to take a mixture of these two colors right here, and then I'm going to mix those together and blend this out. And I'm going to use my Morphe JH39 brush, and this is just a really small brush, and I'm going to go into the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette and use this beautiful green color called Top Secret. Take some of that, and then I'm going to use this to deepen up the outer crease area. So I'm gonna bring it into the crease. This is just to darken up the eye a lot, because the Take Me Back to Brazil palette doesn't have a dark green like this, and I wanted to make this nice and smoky. So that's why I'm using this color. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Put this on my lid. As you can see, it's kind of like an ombre eyes. Into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to use the light yellow right here and use my Morphe M421 brush. Put that, press that in the inner corner area. I'm taking my Morphe JH41 brush and the green here. These are the same colors we used in the crease. So I'm basically reusing them on the lid, and then I did the wrong eye. I'm going to press this on with the middle of my lid here. And then I'm going to use that dark green again. I'm going to press that on the rest of the lid on the outer corner. And then I'm just blending that out. And then I'm going to use the VIP color in the Morphe palette, and I'm just taking that on my finger. No need to really grab a brush for this. And I'm just going to press that in the inner corner of my eye, just using a small brush and my face powder, and just cleaning this area up. Because it's in this set, I like to go in with my Morphe JH30 brush and blend this out. It's super soft. And then I am going to go in with my NYX Box White eyeliner, and this one is in Mint Cream, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. And this just brings out the blue eyes even more. If you have blue eyes, this look really brings them out. And I'm going to do mascara, if I can find my eyelash curler. Okay, whatever. I can't find my eyelash curler, so I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild mascara, nothing new. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild lipstick in Noodie Patootie. So this is the finished look. That was really quick. It really brings out my blue eyes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.